And as you can see, guys, the system started to send the coins immediately. This is amazing, isn't it? Hello guys! In today's video, I will show you how to get up to 100k coins on TikTok for free. The method works on both Android and iOS devices. So this is one of my accounts, and as you can see, I have 0 coins. So we will send free coins to this account. Now, first of all, you should make sure that your account is not private and that your activity status is enabled. Then copy your TikTok username like this, and after that open your internet browser and type this amazing website, smallcoins.net. Now paste your TikTok username and then choose 100k coins. Then click on continue. Here the system is preparing the requested coins. As you can see, the server is so fast. This website sends real coins and there is no risk of getting banned. I have tested it on multiple accounts. Now this step is very important. We should pass the verification process to prove that we are real users and not robots. Here we have a list of the available offers. I will choose the easiest one and complete it. The offers depend on your country. They may ask you for your email or to enter your phone number. Just follow the instructions. The first offer looks easy. I just have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. So as you can see, the offer is downloading. So we will just wait for it. Okay, now I will just do whatever and stay on the app for 30 seconds to complete the task. Now we completed the task, so we will go and open TikTok. Okay. And as you can see, guys, the system started to send the coins immediately. This is amazing, isn't it? Now we received 100k coins successfully. That was it. Enjoy your free coins and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.